Hello civil engineers, welcome back to the lecture. So in the previous lecture, we had seen how much concrete quantity is required for this particular plinth beam, that is a PCC quantity. It was almost 4 cubic meter is required. Okay. Now, see, I'll tell you one problem, not a problem. Sometime what happens, if you're working on the site, you may not have an AutoCAD drawing. Okay. And let us say you have a PDF drawing and they told you you have to do the estimation with the help of this PDF only. They may not have AutoCAD drawing. Let us consider. So in that case, so you'll have a small problem. The problem is that I'll tell you what will be the problem. For example, if I ask you, can you find me the PCC quantity for this particular PB1? You can tell, yes sir, it's very simple. Whatever length I have, that length I can take, right? So length will be from outer to outer. So this will be a outer to outer length. That is from here, this outer to this outer. I mean, yeah, I should take. But in PDF drawing, usually when they release a drawing, they give the center to center distance. That means if I come here, I'm actually getting this particular distance. I'll show you. You see here, this 8 feet and 6 feet 6 inch what we have. Okay. So this 8 feet plus 6 feet 6 inch will be 14 feet. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 feet 6 inch. So where is the distance? This distance is from this center to this center. Okay. And this center to this center distance is given. That is column center to this column center. The distance is given. But I want from where? I want the column outer to column outer, right? So then what you're supposed to do? You don't have AutoCAD drawing. In that case, you need to take out the extra, this portion. See, I'll tell you. Then you need to remove half portion of your column from this side, from this is center line. This is center line. I want from this outer to this outer. Then, okay, let me make it in this way. So it's easy. I want this length. Okay, they have given us this length. They have given us this length. Okay, so then what I'll do, I'll deduct this much portion. This portion what I have, no, this much portion I'll deduct from this center to center distance. That is half, not half of column exactly. Here it is half of column. Sometimes it won't be exactly half. I'll tell you from where you have to take that quantity. Okay, now the center to center distance, that is 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 feet 6 inch minus this column, this width, and this column width. If you take out, you'll get this quantity. So for that, what you're supposed to do, you have to refer the column layout. Now, which grid it is? Grid number 2 it is. Grid number 2. This column is right. PB1 is in grid number 2 and A and C section. So I opened a column layout also. So this is my column layout. Okay. So now I'll search for that column. See, this is grid number 2. Agree? A and B. That means this 2 column it is. This 2 column. I want this distance. I want from this outer. Okay. This outer to this outer distance I want. But now they have given the distance from center to center. This center was given to me from here to here, which was 16 feet 6 inch. So now what I'll do, I have this column offset mentioned. See, it is mentioned from this center line to this, it is 4 feet half inch. 4 feet half inch. In the same way, from this center to this part, it is again how much? 4 feet half inch. So 4 feet half inch plus 4 feet half inch is how much? 4 plus 4 is 8. Half of is 1, right? So total 9 inch I need to deduct from that 14 feet 6 inch. Only then I'm going to get the column outer to column outer distance. You're getting my point? So in this way, you're supposed to do. So the same thing I'll explain you in the AutoCAD also. Okay. In AutoCAD, I'll take directly from center to center this time and I'll show you how it has to be done. I'll take for this beam only. For this beam, I'll take. For this beam, let me take it from center to center. I'll match the value and show. So from this center, yeah, to this column center. How much it is? 4,200. But I want from this column outer to this column outer, right? So what I'll do, I'll check the column layout now. So this is column layout. So I want to check what is the dimension. Okay, I'll not check column layout. I'll directly check here only. And then column layout also I'll verify. So I'll measure the distance from here. From here to here, how much it is? It should be 100 mm exactly. See, 100 mm. And this also should be 100 mm. Okay, 105. Yeah, this also 100 mm. Done. So now you got, see, 4,200 minus this 100 I'll do. So it will be 4100 minus this 100. It will be 4000. So directly in AutoCAD, it is very easy. Directly you'll get all the values. But when you get such PDF, no, you have to take care of that. Okay. One is you could have taken from here. Otherwise, I'll show you the column also. So my column layout is here. Where is my column layout? So okay. This is column layout, but the column, this part is not shown here. Okay. The only option what we have is from the AutoCAD only we can see. Of course, it is here only. Here also from here also I can take that. See, from here also I'm getting 100. Okay. You can do that also. But usually we get a column layout. Here they have not given a column layout separately. Okay. I mean, this column they have given, that one column schedule will come for center line marking. That is not done here. Not an issue. So you will get a drawing something like this. You'll get a drawing like this. In this way, you're supposed to do. You're getting my point? So I'm giving you AutoCAD drawing, so you will not encounter such problem. Just in case if you get something like this, in that case, you have to take care of that. Okay, that's it. So I'll go back here now. So once that is done, anyhow, yeah, I think most of things I've covered there. So I hope you enjoyed my lecture up to here. I'll explain this thing, the plinth beam concreting part in the next lecture, so that in this lecture we have just discussed what may go wrong, and I've explained you how it has to be taken care of. Okay, yeah. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.